Alright y'all, here we go with hole number 2 of Ikigai Springs. So this is one I was excited to explore a little bit, see if I can get a good line on. And I think I found something worth keeping, but this is how I typically play this hole. Shoot, I don't have the right bag. I wanted to show you with the PD and the Sapphire, but we'll go ahead with this bag. So when I don't have the PD, I'm usually always throwing the Accurate Glide Sapphire unless there's a big tailwind. So just on a forehand, kind of middle chevron pointed down on the bridge, like the corner of the bridge there. And it's usually a pretty easy birdie. Every once in a while you got to worry about going long with that disc. And that's why I like to have the PD as well. But with this wind, middle chevron right on the bridge there, almost a straight pull down. And it's usually going to give you a pretty good result. Easy birdie. But the name of this game is not. So with this wind, I'm going to go Accurate Roll Sapphire. Should have plenty of carry, and then it'll hopefully prevent me from going too far long. This is off to the right, which is usually a pretty good miss because of that log there. But again, the whole purpose of this video is to try to find an ace line, and this is the line that I found with the Skip Sapphire. Try to land just in between the bridge and this tree here that was off to the left. But I'm going to see how many in a row I can get safe while I'm trying to ace this. So that's one. I'm going to throw it in all winds, but I think in regular multiplayer, probably just going to try this in one winds because it's a little easier to hit the target in a one wind. That one's off to the right, but safe. Again, this is the Accurate Skip Sapphire. I like to slide to the left, slide over that top chevron kind of right by where that rock and tree are, and you want to land a little left of that. That one is just safe. I already lost count. I think that's 4 in a row that are safe. So I'm kind of liking this line. It gives me a shot at ace, and it's pretty safe for the most part unless there's a big tailwind. See, this one is going to be left as well. That's number 5 or 6. Just trying to give you an idea of how safe this line is. Obviously, it's nice to have an ace line whenever you need it, but it's even better if you can find one that's pretty much safe. So again, with the one winds, I think I'm going to start throwing this line. This is off to the right again, but another safe one. Ideally, you hit kind of right in between the bridge and the tree, and that gives you the best shot at skipping up into the basket for the ace. See if we can get one to go. This is going to be left. Darn it. Still safe though. Still haven't missed one out of bounds at least. Alright, 2 wind left to right. This could potentially miss long. Sit down. I didn't even wait till that one, but that was probably OB. Alright, got a nice 1 wind. That's what we want. Pretty much a full thing of hyzer, and this is looking right on target. Get over there. Oh, just short into the basket. Another foot, and that would have been the ace I was looking for. Another 1 wind though, so let's see if we can continue to get closer and closer. This looks to be on a good line. Get in there. Get in there. Nice. That was dead center right there. Sweet. Try to go back to back just for fun. We do get another 1 wind, so it's possible. Slide to the left. Top chevron. Get in there. Oh, man. Just to the right. That would have been sweet back to back. I'm going to finish off this birdie. And I think I'm going to go switch to my other bag so I have the PD. I just want to show you my regular play when I do have the PD in the bag, and just kind of the difference. There's not a huge difference, just a little shorter than the Accurate Glide Sapphire, so I feel like it's just a little safer of an option when there's a tailwind at least. This is like a perfect wind for the PD. Still got to be careful, but usually this is going to land just safe, easy birdie. That one, I think, caught the bottom of the pole, but we'll throw another one. Same aim point as the Sapphire, just a little more anhyzer to it. since the PD is a touch more stable than the Sapphire. That's a good example there of an easy birdie. I'm kind of curious now, though. I want to try this line some more. I know I already got the ace, but we're going to try to get it with this other Sapphire now. Oh, first one. First. Oh, man, that would have been awesome to get it first try. But this is my other skip Sapphire. Again, slide to the left, top chevron right on top of that rock by the base of the tree. And that's off to the right. Get around. Oh, almost off the tree, ace. I got another safe shot though that would have been birdie. And that was I was pretty far off my target there. One wind, just what we want. And oh, right on line, just short. I'm not going to try for a lot longer, but I was hoping to get it with this other Sapphire as well. So we'll throw it a few more times. Again, if you have the skip Sapphire, it's definitely a line worth looking at. 2 wind left to right. I mean, for the most part, in 1 and 2 winds, it's landing safely. So for those of you that like to have an ace run, this is one that's, oh, just missed that to the left. This is one that's a little safer than I expected, and I'm probably going to be throwing it from now on, especially when there's a 1 wind. Oh, maybe? No, it's, wow, right under the bridge. But it was safe. Still would have got birdie there. All right, a 1 wind. Just what I want. Slide to the left, top chevron right there at the rocking tree. Hit it. Get it. Yes. So we got it twice for y'all. One with each skip Sapphire. Definitely a line worth looking at. I know I'm excited for that line. We're going to try going back to back again. Again, we get a 1 wind. So I like our chances. I like the look of the line. Oh, it looks good. Get in. Oh, just over the top. That would have been awesome. Anyway, we got it twice for you. Hope you enjoyed. We're going to finish off this birdie. 53 feet. Nice, safe ace run. I'm going to be using that in 1 wins. There's hole 2. Let's move on to Ikigai Springs, hole number 3. Hope you guys are enjoying me. Play some DGV.